Welcome to Quantum Mutual Fund, India's first direct-to-investor mutual fund.
So it was not that the Indian market was falling because of the bad economy. It fell really because of sales, and I'll explain that quickly in these charts. In Jan 2008, the market had a peak of 20,400, and at that point in time there were few things that people were correctly concerned about India. One was the high price of oil. Oil was about $90 a barrel then, and they were saying as the price of oil goes up, India's importing 2/3 of its oil needs. It'll be bad for deficits, bad for inflation. Interest rates will be increased. When interest rates are increased, economic activity slows down. When economic activity slows down, companies sell less, they make less profits, stock markets go down. Very fair and very, very logical. They were also concerned about the price of rice and the price of wheat. When the price of rice and wheat goes up, it doesn't directly affect India because we don't really import rice or wheat. But we buy rice and wheat from the farmers at a close to international price. So as those prices go up, we pay more for the rice and wheat we buy from Indian farmers, and we give it for free to 400 million people. Again, deficits, subsidies, inflation, interest rates, slowing economic activity. So all those were legitimate fears, and the market fell from 20,000 peak to 20,500 peak, all the way down towards about 13,000 by the end of June. So we lost dramatically about 40% in that time period. And then from June 30th, the price of oil peaked in July, but the Indian market went down till July. Oil prices started going down, the Indian market actually recovered, which it should have, because the same fears that brought the Indian market down were now going away. Rice was falling, wheat was falling, oil was falling, and the Indian market began to recover. And then, in this slide, that's September 15th, 2008, that's when Lehman Brothers in the US declared bankruptcy. And the Indian market promptly fell by 50% in 5 weeks. And the Indian currency fell by 20% in the next 2 months. I have no idea why. I mean, I sort of have an idea. Because foreigners were selling. Not because something happened in India. Like I said, the Indian market should have been increasing because price of oil plummeted to $30 a barrel, if you all remember. Yeah. So if you were selling India at $90 a barrel, correctly, because you're scared of inflation, you should be buying India at $30 a barrel. Yes? And rice went from 850 to 500, or wheat went from 850 to 500. Rice, I forget the numbers, also fell down very sharply. And yet India was being sold because it was not an India problem. It was a global capital problem. Shearson, Lehman, we didn't even know who they were, by and large, till they blew up. They have no big offices in India. They probably employ, 200 people, 100 people, 1,000 people. So why should Shearson, Lehman's bankruptcy have hurt India? It hurt India because every hedge fund, every bank that was gambling in India and the emerging markets decided to take their capital back home. When the parent is a company, you get rid of all the fringes, no matter how good they may be. So that huge selling pressure, because keep in mind again, 4-to-1. The foreigner activity is 4 and the Indian activity is 1. When $4 comes to sell and the buyer is only $1, the price is nowhere to go but down. So the viciousness of that fall was far more vicious than this fall which fell, than the fall between the first 6 months of the year. And then again, the markets bounced 8 to 10, 8 to 10, then they saw green shoots in the world, and the markets recovered. And this big run-up is May 18, when the markets jumped 17.2% in 36 seconds of trading. And now the markets have done pretty well. We're pretty much back to where we were at a pre-Shearson Lehman day. And oil is about $70 and it was $90 then. Rice and wheat are also lower. So when we looked at all this stuff, we said, what, the selling pressure is not because something bad has happened to India. The slowdown is actually good for India because commodity prices, rice, food, wheat, steel, oil are all coming down.
Mutual fund investing is subject to market risk. Please read the scheme information document carefully before investing.